Hold privileges was laid out with the mission to give admittance to stable cash to each individual on the planet. Save Privileges project firmly accepts that out-of-control inflation can be destroyed. They worked and created monetary programming that can assist people with managing excessive inflation. Hold was sent off in May 2019 after an underlying trade presenting on the Huobi Prime stage. Nevin Freeman and Matt Sr. helped to establish the organization. Save Privileges produce cash by taking an expense from clients who execute cash through their monetary application. Hold Privileges permits the client to save, move, spend, and get cash through the Save application, and the local token is known as the RSR. Hold Freedoms have joined forces with the Venezuelan government to determine the issue of cash precariousness. They have laid out a corporate association with 7 Versatile Africa, Angola's biggest cell phone shipper. The major institutional financial backers of Hold Privileges incorporate Coinbase Adventures, Computerized Cash Gathering, NGC, Finbushi Capital, Valorum Capital, Pre-Heavenly Messenger, Rocket Fuel, Crypto Lotus, and so forth. How in all actuality do Hold Privileges works? Hold Freedoms is a double symbolic stablecoin stage got by a proof-of-work agreement instrument, an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. The Hold application permits clients to move cash by means of a steady money. The worth of the coin is shielded from diminishing buying power, which expects to protect the work and exertion of the proprietor. Save stablecoin called a Hold token is a cryptographic money-keeping balanced equivalency with US dollars. It very well may be spent like government-issued money or USD. Presently, RSV can be traded for the public monetary standards of Venezuela, Colombia, and Argentina with the authority Hold application. Later on, it is intending to extend to all nations. RSV is a stablecoin. However, RSR is unstable. The uniqueness of Hold is that other stablecoins are upheld by USD, held in a ledger, and oversaw by a stablecoin guarantor. In any case, RSV is constrained by the repository of cryptographic money administered by Shrewd Agreements. According to current information, an essential stablecoin sent on Ethereum is supported by a third USDC, a third TUSD, and a third PAX. The second is the Save Freedoms. RSR is utilized to keep RSV stay stable in its worth. Authentic information and market feeling of RSR. As per Huobi's true data, 3% of RSR tokens were sold on the underlying 2 send-off adjusts. The primary round was by means of market request on a first-come, first-served premise, and the subsequent round was a breaking point request in which tokens were dispensed by buy-some. In the underlying convention send-off, the center group is anticipating 2R token. One is an unadulterated USD coin upheld simply by USD fiat coins, and the other is yield-bearing USD coins which are supported by DEFI USD token. According to the most recent news, the Save Freedoms environment is exceptionally committed to growing with additional complex computerized instruments and adding resources for its advanced hold. The ongoing digital currency market feelings of RSR are pessimistic and exchanging on a bullish pattern. The all-out market cap is $193,856,147 with a complete stock of 100 billion tokens. The circling supply is 42,302,323,974 RSR, and the Hold Freedoms cost today is $0. Investigating the verifiable information of RSR value, the unequaled high at which RSR exchanged was 11 cents on April 16, 2021, while the most reduced cost at which RSR exchanged was $0 walk 2020. Over the most recent half year, Save Privileges gave the financial backers some misfortune. Crypto markets are consistently unpredictable in the midst of worldwide opinions. The RSR nature is likewise exceptionally unstable, and more dangers are implied since it relies upon different monetary forms and numerous different elements. Hold Privileges Specialized Investigation. Specialized investigation shows that the ongoing cost of RSR is $0, with a 7.78% benefit and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $20,267,809. The base value of the present exchanging meeting is $0, and the greatest cost is $0. The Hold Freedoms cost has diminished from its unsurpassed high and exchanged sideways. RSR had built up speed and covered half yet couldn't cross 5 cents. At present, the RSR cost has been exchanging sideways, and on an equal channel, OBV isn't maintained. It is fluctuating, yet brokers are not totally surrendering trust on Hold Privileges. Variance shows the vulnerability of Hold Freedoms cost. The cost of Hold Privileges has broken the help at $0 move towards the $0 zone. The significant help is put at $0. On the off chance that the negative pattern pulls the cost of Hold Privileges underneath the significant help zone, it will be an obstacle for the coin. The anticipated degree of neighboring obstruction is $0. On the off chance that RSR breaks this level, the crypto will move to test the obstruction level of $0, and the cost of Save Freedoms needs to hop. The significant opposition is set at $0 to entering the upswing. Hold Freedom's value expectation 2023. 2023 in the long haul is really great for the crypto market. However, according to Save Privilege's cost expectation, the RSR isn't supposed to contact the $0 this year. Toward the start of 2023, it might exchange at the $0, and later RSR costs will cross $0, which might be the greatest cost of hold privileges, while it might expect a typical cost of $0. Save Freedom's value forecast 2024. Save Freedom's cost expectation shows that it will cross 7 cents in the year 2024, and it will end up being a wise speculation for the present moment. Later on, Save Privileges expects speculations all around the world and will enlarge its impressions to major crypto markets. Hold Privileges cost expectation for the year proposes the base and most extreme costs might be $0, with a typical cost of $0. Save Privileges value expectations 2025. According to our specialists, Save Privileges is supposed to gain more resource base from now on, and our RSR value expectation is normal that it might arrive at a most extreme cost of $0. The cost might hang between $0, with a typical cost of $0. Hold Privileges value forecast 2026. Investigating the drawn-out conjecture, Hold Freedoms may neglect to cross the most extreme degree of 2 cents this year. In the event that no significant news sets off the cost level, Hold Freedoms will exchange the scope of 9 cents to 2 cents for the year, according to our conjecture. The cost might come to the 2 cents most extreme, while the typical exchange cost might be 1 cent, as indicated by the gauge. Hold Privileges value forecast 2027. Toward the start of 2027, the Hold Privileges cost is supposed to exchange at 1 cent, and in the center, the obstacle of 2 cents will be crossed, and it might push toward the most extreme degree of 3 cents according to our Save Freedom's value expectation 2027. The whole year, Save Privileges is supposed to move at a typical cost of 2 cents and a base cost of 1 cent. Save Freedom's value forecast 2028. In light of our Hold Freedom's value forecast 2028, the greatest worth, least worth, and normal worth are supposed to be 5 cents, 3 cents, and 4 cents separately. Save Freedom's value forecast 2029. As per our RSR figures, the token is supposed to exchange a scope of 5 cents to 7 cents, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, the typical cost might be around 6 cents for the whole year of 2029. Save Freedom's value expectation 2030. In 2030, the RSR crypto is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of 8 cents and 10 cents separately. Simultaneously, the typical cost might be around 9 cents in light of our Hold Freedom's cost forecast. Is Hold Privileges a wise venture? From the information investigation and Save Privileges expectations, RSR might be an insightful venture expansion to your portfolio from the crypto market. Research shows that it has